Welcome back to class. Hey, nobody cares about you, stupid teacher. Bing, you already done this, you're expelled. No. Bing, how do you make a word noise at school? Even though word noises is absolutely bad. That's it. Today is your 33rd punishment day. Can I please stop getting punishment days? Too bad. The punishment days are still going, and your first punishment beating you up like always. Second punishment, I'm going to cancel your concert of Bing. What? First punishment, I'm going to destroy concert of Bing. Go to your room now.